In 1928, the young entrepreneur Oskar Woertz founded a company in Basel that was to revolutionize the electrical installation industry. His foresight and entrepreneurial spirit led to the creation of the company Woertz. Oskar Woertz recognized the rapidly growing demand for electrical installations in Basel and the surrounding area, and decided to serve this market with high-quality products. At that time, Switzerland was experiencing rapid electrification. Factories were supplied with electricity, the SBB electrified its railroad lines, and the electrical energy production per inhabitant was leading the world. The need for reliable and easy-to-install components grew rapidly. In addition to trading in selected products, Oskar Woertz also recognized the need for further innovative solutions for electricians. With creativity and skill, he began to develop and manufacture new products from plastics such as Bakelite. These products quickly gained recognition among installers. Thus, in addition to trading, Woertz also began his own production. He designed, tinkered with new technologies, and manufactured with simple machines. As early as 1930, he applied for the first patents for his products. The world economic crisis of 1929 also hit Switzerland hard. Factories were closed and millions of people lost their jobs. But despite these adverse circumstances, the small company was able to hold its own and grow continuously. New employees were hired, machines were put into operation, and the product range was expanded. The workshop on Lenhard Street in Basel soon became too small, and in 1935 the company moved to larger premises on Margarethen Street. Later, a new building was even erected on Euler Street in Basel. Oskar Woertz was respected and popular among his employees and in the surrounding area. His employees considered themselves part of the extended Woertz family and were loyal to the company. After the death of Oskar Woertz in 1963, his sons Hans and Oskar Jr. took over the management of the company. Hans Woertz took care of the commercial and strategic management, while Oskar Woertz contributed his technical expertise. Under the leadership of Hans and Oskar Woertz Jr., the first construction phase at the new location in Immerse was initiated at the beginning of 1969. The expansion of the company required larger premises and state-of-the-art technologies. In the following years, Woertz continuously developed new products and patented innovative solutions. The company became known for its practice-oriented solutions and high-quality components. In 1988, the new site in Holstein was inaugurated to accommodate the rapidly growing production. Carol Woertz joined the company and expanded her knowledge in the various departments. The Woertz company had to face new challenges when the borders were opened for imports. Large companies try to conquer the market with tempting offers and aggressive marketing. But the company stuck to its principles of partnership, quality, and reliability. In 1998, Carol Woertz took over the management from her father. She introduced new measures and developed a new company strategy.
Eine moderne, universelle Gebäudeverkabelung erfordert eine ebenso moderne Technik, um sowohl den heutigen wie auch den künftigen Anforderungen zu entsprechen. Die Lösung: die Woertz Flachkabelsysteme EcoBus und EcoFil.
The company increasingly focused on complete systems instead of individual components and strengthened employee competence and personal responsibility. Under the leadership of Carol Woertz, further innovative products were developed and patented solutions were introduced to the market. Woertz established itself as a leading company in the fields of flat cable systems, building automation and security cables. A history of innovation, quality and progress in electrical engineering. Thanks to the visionary leadership of Oskar Woertz and the continued innovation under Hans and Carol Woertz, the company has achieved numerous milestones and continued on its path of success. A pioneer in the industry, driven by a passion for quality and the pursuit of progress. Woertz.